Hello traders, so in this video I'm going to take a 5-minute trade with our strategy. In my previous videos I have explained about the technical tools like support and the resistance level and the trend lines, how to draw them. So we are going to use them in this trading video and we'll try to take a successful trade. So right now, as you can see, this is Euro US dollar, and currently market situation is simple. It's moving in an uptrend. If we talk about the minor trend, it is moving in an uptrend direction. So first of all, let's try to draw some key levels because we are going to use them. So if you zoom out, you can see that this is clearly a strong level of resistance, and we can say that this is an extreme level of resistance also. So first of all, I will draw them because they are very important. So first of all, let's create a zone of, okay, we will use that, and this. So we have a zone of resistance. As you can see, it's an extreme level of resistance, so it is going to work for sure, and it can reverse the market in the future. Right now the situation, you can see market actually reversed from this level. So what I will do, I will draw another horizontal support level. This is another support level, and I'm going to draw an area. So this is a support area, this is the resistance area, and it's a support area, and you can see market is moving in that range right now. So what we need here is, first of all, let me increase the time. So what we need here is a breakout, because as you can see, the area is very small, the range is very small, so we need to wait for a breakout. So the breakout for me should be happening in the downward direction, because as it's an extreme level of resistance, so I think that some retracement is required, and we are going to get one very soon. Right now, as you can see, market reverses, so we have to wait for some time, because as the market is moving in a range, I don't want to take any trade, because even if market goes up, this strong resistance level, the chances are really high that this resistance level will reverse the market. So we have to wait. I think it will going to take some time. The strategy and the setup is simple. Market is moving strongly in the upward direction. We have got extreme level of resistance. I can say that market needs some retracement here. So I am in favor of placing my trade in the downward direction rather than going with the trend. So we have to wait. It will going to take some time, or what we can do, we can wait for the market to hit this area, and if market gives us some confirmation, we can place a downward trade from this level as well. But for that we have to wait, because right now you can see market is moving strongly, but as this shows, these candlesticks shows that market wants to go up strongly. This strong resistance shows that market can reverse from this level. So the story is not like aligned with the resistance level, so we have to wait, because we need confirmation from all sides. Like the resistance should support our analysis with the candlestick patterns. Right now candlestick patterns shows market moving up, and the resistance shows a bearish reversal can happen. So we have to wait in such cases, and this is a strong level. Right now I will remove this because I need to see some clear chart, and let's try to draw a trend line if possible. Well, a trend line is possible here, so let's try to draw one. So you can see this is a we don't have to use that, we will use this trend line, and you can see we are getting the most touches. Market is respecting this trend line, so now we have a ascending triangle pattern here. We have to wait for the market to act accordingly in such situation. Right now the situation, as you can see, it is going in as the market moves forward in the future, it is going to break from either direction. Either it is going to break in the upward direction or in the downward direction. So we have to wait for a clear breakout. Right now the analysis and the story are not aligned, so I will not place any trade, because risking the money when you don't understand the chart is the biggest mistake that beginner traders do. So you have to understand that if you don't understand the chart, if you can't understand what is going on, then don't place any trade. Just wait patiently until all the rules are in your favor. I think it will going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this video and okay, so I will going to fast forward this video and will start explaining you again once I take the trade. So let's wait. So we have placed our trade after some retracement. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you the complete setup and the previous analysis as well in detail. So let's wait. So we have won this trade. Now before explaining you about this setup, I have to explain you about the previous analysis. So let me draw the zone again. So this was the resistance that I was talking about in the beginning, that it's a strong level of resistance because it's an extreme level, as you can see. So we have used resistance level and a trend line to place this trade. We used the price action as well. Now, so why I was very positive about the market going in the downward direction is because in the chart I saw that the retracement was not here. The amount of retracement, like it was missing. So for me it's an unhealthy price action move. And the second thing which I noticed, that it's an extreme level of resistance. Now both the things suggest one thing only, that market should be reversing, because if price action is not correct, it needs to retrace back to normalize the situation. Extreme level shows strength of the sellers. Extreme level of resistance shows the strength of the sellers, because so many traders were waiting to place the short trade here. So this was a strong level. The price action suggests that market should be going down. I wanted to place my trade after the breakout, but as you can see, we didn't got any time, and market retraces the 100% level till this, like in the next just 2 minutes, it retraces completely. So why I draw this trend line? Because this was clearly a good trend line and market was respecting this trend line. So for me, it's a ascending triangle pattern, and if there is a breakout, the price action and the analysis shows that market should be going down, and that's why I was waiting. But to my surprise, market broke, but it goes so fast that I was not able to we didn't got any opportunity to place my trade. So I changed the strategy. I thought that what I will do, I will wait for the market to hit this extreme level of support, and if we get an opportunity, we are going to place a reversal trade. But what, to my surprise, market retraces back again very quickly. So I waited for the market to go up and hit the resistance level. Let me first draw the resistance. I took this trade based on price action. Let me explain you why I'm saying it. So as you can see, market was going strongly down, and if we look on this chart only, we can say that this is the lower low option. This is the lower low, and this is a lower higher point. So for me, the price action shows that market should be going down, then that's why if price action suggests that market should be going down, and I was very sure that market cannot reverse like for the first time, it needs to retrace back, and that's why I was waiting for the market to get weak. Market gets weak here. You can see this candlestick shows weakness, the next candle shows strength, and I placed my trade here. We won this trade easily. If we didn't got any chance here, opportunity, I was waiting to place my trade on this level. Like if we didn't got opportunity here, I must have placed my trade here for the retracement again. So this is this trade is completely based on the price action, and I used the tools, that is support and the resistance level, a trend line, and some price action. Also, you can say that yes, we used the momentum and the candlestick analysis also, but to me, the trade that I took in this video is completely based on the price action and some movement of the market. The resistance was quite good, but it was purely based on the price action because the level was not that strong. But I was very sure that market needs to go down again, and that's why I placed my trade. We won this trade, so I thought so I think I have explained you about this trading setup in as easy language as possible, but if you still have some doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.